Offset faces in AutoCAD 3D. If you go to the Home tab, if you go here, you can see offset faces. Select this tool and which face you need to offset, select the face, enter how much you need to offset. If you need to offset inside, you can give the value in positive. If you need to make outside offset, give the value in negative. Now I just give the value -20, enter. Now you can see it is offset the that original circle outside. Now again go to offset faces and select this face, enter. Now I give the value in positive 20, enter. Now it is back to the original position. Similar way you can use to offset any faces. I just make this fillet also. I just go to offset face and select this face, enter, and give the value 20, enter. Means I given here value in positive, so it's coming to the original position like this. Now I go to the offset face and select this face, enter, give the value in negative, and it is going like this. This is the way you can make offset face in AutoCAD 3D.